Ernest and Stephen. We are from Group 2. In this presentation, we will discuss about specific heat capacity.
First, I will explain to you about the definition of specific heat capacity. Then I will explain about the formula of specific heat capacity and the problems example. Finally, you will know why specific capacity is important.
What is the specific heat capacity? Specific heat capacity is the amount of energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of the substance by 1 Celsius. The example is boiling a water. If you are trying to boil a lot of water, it takes longer than if you only wish to boil a small amount of water. Another example of specific heat capacity is amount automatic dishwasher.
Now, let's see the experiment video of specific heat capacity. After watching the video, we can see that the 200 grams of water boil faster than the 400 grams of water. So, we can conclude that heat capacity depends on mass.
And then, so, any questions for the example, any?
Next, we
Yes.
will tell you
This,
about the formula to find specific heat capacity and thermal energy. To find the specific heat capacity, the formula is change internal energy divided by mass time change in temperature. And to find the thermal energy, the formula is mass times specific heat capacity times change in temperature. What is difference between heat and temperature? Temperature is way of describing how hot or cold an object is and is measured in degrees Celsius, where heat is form of energy and is measured on joules. Now let's have a look at a problem. Number 1. A metal ball weighing 25 grams is heated at 200 Celsius with an energy of 2330 joules. How much heat is the metal?
yes, and so solutions. Answer.
So we have
25 grams of mass, temperature of 200 degrees Celsius, and thermal energy of 2330 joule. So we place this into the specific heat equation. Thermal energy equals mass times specific heat times temperature. First, we multiply 25 by 200. That's going to equal 5,000. Next, we divide both sides by 5,000. That will give us 0.466. So the specific capacity is 0.466 joule per grams.
Yeah. Okay, nice.
Number 2, a 500 gram cube of lead is heated from 25 Celsius to 75 Celsius. How much energy is needed to heat tin? The specific heat of lead is 0.19129 G Celsius. We have 500 gram of mass. The change is in temperature is 50 degrees Celsius, and the specific capacity is 0.128 joule per gram. We place this into the specific heat equation. Thermal energy equal mass times specific heat times change temperature. To find the thermal energy, we multiply 500 by 0.129 and 50. We will get 3,000 to 25 joule. So the thermal energy is 3,000 to 25 joule.
Okay.
Number 3, the specific heat capacity of lead is 128 joule per kilogram. How much heat energy is required to raise the temperature of 10 kilogram of lead by 15 Celsius? So, the mass is 125 gram. The specific heat of iron is 0.45 joule per gram per degree Celsius, and the change in temperature is 350 degrees Celsius. We place this into the specific heat equation. Thermal energy equals mass times specific heat times change in temperature. To find the thermal energy, we multiply 125 by 0.45 and 350. We will get the thermal energy of 19,687.5 joule.
Number 4. Suppose that 15,245 joule of heat is applied to a copper ball of a mass 45 gram. Also, the specific heat of copper is 0.39 joule per gram per degree Celsius. So, find how much will the temperature change. The mass is 45 gram. The specific heat of copper is 0.39 joule per gram. And the thermal energy is 15,245 joule. We place this into the specific heat capacity equation. We can rearrange the equation to change in temperature equals thermal energy per mass times specific heat capacity. To find the temperature, first we multiply 45 by 0.39. That's going to equal 11.55. Then we divide 15,245 by 11.55. We
Yes.
will get the temperature of 868.66 degrees Celsius.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much for this group for the specific conclusion. Hello. Please show your on camera first for this group. Please, Theo, Steven, Intan, Ganesha Ruba, Pratama, and Josephine Cindy Valerian already show. Okay, I asked for the first questions for you. Steven. Hello, Steven. Hello. Hello, Steven, can you hear me? That's good, right? Experiment, experiments. What the experiment in your growth? What the experiment for the hatch capacity? What I mean for the yours? You already show presentation, right, Steven? Please. What the current temperature, and after thermal temperature first and thermal temperature second. For the experiment, what the experiment your team? You know? Okay, I ask others. What the meaning for the hatch capacity? Okay, I ask others first here. Intan, hello Intan. Hello.
Yes, Mister.
Okay. What the experiment in the Euro group? Experiment
Experiment.
is
Boiling water.
what? I mean the current temperature. You for measurable for the temperature, right? Okay, everyone. Please. Okay, thank you so much for today. Just Team Theo and Allegra. Show camera because this remaining meeting time less than 1 minute. Please show camera, everyone. Please show camera, everyone. The next meeting, please prepare preparation again. Okay. Thank you so much, team. Juan, Steven, and Josephine. Thank you so much, and our team. 1, 2, 3. Okay. See you next meeting. See you. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Mr.
Thank you,
Marcel, for the
Mr.
explanation. Mari, Mr.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Mister.
Mr.